and welcome back to the 21-day Freshen Up Your Finances Challenge. Today we're going to talk about current accounts. The world of banking has become very exciting, but it's also become quite complicated because right now what tends to happen is the best interest rates that are offered to keep your cash close to you, to keep it available to you, come by the way of a current account. But the problem is that the current accounts often come with all these little things that are tagged onto the end of it. Like, for instance, you can receive 3% interest on your money, but you have to pay in a certain amount of money every month and you have to have a certain number of direct debits, etc. Or they may say you can have interest and you can have cash back, which all sounds really exciting, except there is a fee for the account. So there seem to be lots of sort of like caveats and things attached to accounts, which can sometimes make it complicated. Now, if you're like me, who likes to grab a good bargain, or for my current account to make sure that it's serving me rather than me serving the bank, I like to take up these offers. But what can happen over time is that our accounting becomes very messy, because quite often the interest rates, the very attractive interest rates that they offer, are only for a short period of time, like a year, etc. And then all of a sudden you'll get a letter to say that wonderful interest rate that you signed up for is going to drop to something like even more awful than it started off in the first place. Because let's face it, 3%'s okay, but it's not going to make you a millionaire, is it? It's really just for the cash you want to keep close to your chest and make as much money on the money that's flowing in and out of your current account every month. Anyway, I digress. What I'm asking you to look at today is, how is your current account serving you? For example, and in particular, I know that there are a lot of credit cards, there are a lot of current accounts out there that charge £12 a month, £18 a month, etc. for what seem like wonderful services. Things like mobile phone insurance, vehicle recovery, holiday insurance. And it all sounds really good when you sign up to it. But actually, are you using it? Is it really worth the paper that it's written on? Let me give you an example. Holiday insurance. Sounds really good to have it included, annual holiday insurance. But have you actually checked to see what it covers? I had a relative actually who took out holiday insurance via their bank, and when they wanted to claim on it after being burgled, the insurance just turned out to be appalling. They wanted receipts for absolutely everything that they had. They didn't want to pay out. It was just really, really awful. And it wasn't a specialist travel insurance company that it was going by. And quite frankly, the policy wasn't worth the paper that it was written on. If you're going to get holiday insurance, make sure that it's worth it, because if something happens to you, you want the insurance company to pay out. That's example one. Example two, mobile phone insurance. Yep, sounds great. You're going to be paying 12 quid a month, 10 quid a month, even £9 a month for mobile phone insurance. But what does it cover you for? Does it cover you for any breakages? Does it cover you for, if you put that massive great crack across your screen, is that covered? Quite often, probably not. And if you have an Apple phone, sometimes it offers even less. So your task today is to just check out what is attached to your current account. Are you receiving any benefits? How much is it costing you if you are receiving benefits? Is the account that you signed up for many moons ago still serving you? Is there an account that's out there serving you better? I don't know. Maybe that's a task for another day. I think I'll set that one as another day. But for now, just see if your current account is all nice and fresh and shiny and spring-like and serving you. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3.